Add a touch of peace and beauty to your space with the metal Lotus tabletop fountain, where flowing water meets elegant design. Crafted with a stunning metal lotus flower, this fountain lets water gently cascade from leaf to leaf, creating a soothing, non-stop flow that relaxes your mind. The warm yellow LED light brings a soft, ambient glow to your living room, bedroom, or office, day or night. Its compact size fits easily on any desk, shelf, or side table, making it perfect for small spaces or minimalist decor. Easy to set up and effortless to enjoy. Just plug it in, fill with water, and let the calm begin. A fountain that doesn't just decorate, it transforms. Bring home serenity with the metal Lotus water fountain and let peace flow leaf by leaf. Click on the link in description to order.